Let me show you the easiest way to perfectly color match images in Photoshop. Let's dive into the video. We have these two images. We want these images to color match the background image. If we go to the image adjustments, we try to go to match colors, it turns off. You see, because the image is not a smart object. Let's rasterize the image by right clicking the here, choose rasterize. Now the image is not a smart object anymore. We can go to the image and choose the match colors. You can see it's not turned on. At the bottom, we choose change it from the none into a 5, which in this case how to color match. Then choose the layer and blend the color. So in this case, that is the background image. And immediately you can see colors has matched. Tutorial is over. See you in next video. Until then, goodbye.